Hi there, Thunkers! In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to move different components around in your app. When you add a component into your app, it will usually stack on top of other components. But what if you want to be able to move a component anywhere on the screen? There are two components that you can use. The first is the row component. When you add a row component to your app, it will allow you to position components next to each other. If I add in several buttons, notice how they are all set up horizontally. If I use a column component, I can stack components vertically. If you want to add space in between components, you can click on a component and go to the Margin section on the Properties panel. Here you can add in space on different sides of the component. Next, I want to position the buttons within a row or column. I'll click on the row and go to where it says Vertical and Horizontal Alignment on the Properties panel. This will allow me to move the buttons up or down within the row and column components. If I want to move the row or column components, I can also adjust their size. For example, I want the row to be smaller. I can go to the row's height and select Fit Contents. Now the row's height is the same height as the buttons. Now, if you spend a lot of time designing a component and you want to copy it, all you need to do is select a component and hit the Duplicate button. This will make a copy of your component. This works for both individual components such as the button and layout components, so you can use this to duplicate your rows and columns. This is a great shortcut when building apps. Try playing around with these different properties. It can be a little confusing, so if you have any questions, click on the little question mark on the components.